What if I told you that one of the most beautiful and delicate creatures on Earth goes through one of the most dramatic transformations in the entire animal kingdom? A creature that starts its life as a tiny crawling worm and transforms into a flying masterpiece of color and elegance. This is not a fantasy. This is the incredible story of the butterfly. Welcome to Shan Zoology, your ultimate destination for exploring the most fascinating creatures on Earth. Today, we are going deep into the complete life, history, and secrets of butterflies. From their birth to their transformation, from their colors to their purpose in nature. This is the full documentary you don't want to miss.
Butterflies belong to the order Lepidoptera, which also includes moths. The name Lepidoptera comes from Greek words meaning scale wings, and this perfectly describes one of the most important features of butterflies. Their wings are covered with tiny scales. These scales reflect light in different ways, creating the stunning colors and patterns that make butterflies some of the most beautiful insects in the world.
Butterflies have existed for millions of years. Scientists believe they first appeared around 50 to 100 million years ago, around the same time when flowering plants began to spread across the Earth. This connection is very important because butterflies and plants depend on each other. As butterflies feed on nectar from flowers, they help in pollination, which allows plants to reproduce. This makes butterflies an essential part of the ecosystem. Butterflies are found almost everywhere in the world, except in extremely cold regions like Antarctica. They are especially common in tropical areas, such as rainforests, where warm temperatures and abundant plants provide ideal conditions for their survival. Countries in South America, Africa, and Asia are home to some of the most colorful and diverse butterfly species. They can live in gardens, forests, mountains, grasslands, and even urban areas where flowers are present. One of the most fascinating things about butterflies is their life cycle, which is known as complete metamorphosis. This life cycle has 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. It is one of the most dramatic transformations in nature. The life of a butterfly begins as a tiny egg. Female butterflies lay their eggs on leaves, usually on plants that will serve as food for their young. These eggs are very small and can be round, oval, or even cylindrical in shape. After a few days or weeks, depending on the species and environmental conditions, the egg hatches into a larva, commonly known as a caterpillar. The caterpillar stage is all about eating and growing. Caterpillars consume large amounts of food, usually leaves, to store energy for the next stage of their life. They grow rapidly and shed their skin several times in a process called molting. During this stage, they may look simple and even unattractive, but inside their bodies, incredible changes are preparing them for transformation.
After reaching a certain size, the caterpillar enters the pupa stage, forming a protective covering known as a chrysalis. Inside this chrysalis, one of the most amazing processes in nature takes place. The caterpillar's body breaks down and reorganizes itself into a completely different form. This transformation can take days or weeks. Finally, an adult butterfly emerges, with wings ready to fly. Butterflies do not give birth to live young. They are egg-laying creatures, which means they reproduce by laying eggs. The entire life cycle, from egg to adult, depends heavily on environmental conditions, such as temperature and food availability. Butterflies are known for their incredible colors. Their wings can display a wide range of colors, including red, yellow, blue, green, orange, and even ultraviolet patterns that are invisible to the human eye. These colors are not just for beauty, they serve important purposes.
Bright colors can warn predators that the butterfly is toxic, while camouflage patterns help them blend into their surroundings. Some butterflies even mimic the appearance of other species to avoid being eaten. When it comes to diet, butterflies have very different eating habits depending on their life stage. As caterpillars, they eat solid food, mainly plant leaves. However, adult butterflies mostly feed on liquid food, especially nectar from flowers. They use a long, tube-like structure called a proboscis to suck nectar. Some species may also feed on tree sap, rotting fruit, or even minerals from mud and water.
Butterflies do drink water, but not in the way humans do. They absorb moisture and minerals from damp surfaces, a behavior known as puddling. This is especially common in male butterflies, which gather nutrients that are important for reproduction. Butterflies are generally harmless to humans. They do not bite or sting, and they are not dangerous. In fact, they are considered beneficial insects because they help in pollination, which supports plant growth and agriculture. However, some caterpillars may have tiny hairs or toxins that can cause mild irritation if touched. Butterflies vary greatly in size. Some of the smallest butterflies have a wingspan of less than 1 inch, while the largest, such as the Queen Alexandra's birdwing, can have a wingspan of up to 12 inches. Their lifespan also varies. Some butterflies live only for a few days, while others can survive for several months. The famous monarch butterfly is known for its long migrations and can live for several months during its journey.
There are more than 20,000 species of butterflies worldwide. Each species has its own unique patterns, colors, and behaviors. Some of the most well-known types include the monarch butterfly, the swallowtail butterfly, and the painted lady butterfly. These species are admired for their beauty and fascinating life cycles. Butterflies face many threats in the wild. Their natural predators include birds, spiders, reptiles, and other insects. To survive, butterflies use various defense mechanisms, such as camouflage, mimicry, and toxic chemicals. However, the biggest threats to butterflies today come from human activities. Habitat destruction, pollution, pesticide use, and climate change are reducing butterfly populations around the world. Despite their delicate appearance, butterflies play a powerful role in nature. They are important pollinators, helping plants reproduce and maintain biodiversity. They also serve as indicators of environmental health. A decline in butterfly populations often signals problems in the ecosystem. From a broader perspective, many people see butterflies as a symbol of transformation, hope, and beauty. Their life cycle represents change and renewal, which is why they are often associated with spiritual and philosophical meanings. From a religious point of view, especially in Islam, butterflies can be seen as a sign of the creativity and power of Allah. Their transformation from a simple caterpillar into a beautiful flying creature reflects the greatness and wisdom of Allah's creation. The beauty, colors, and delicate design of butterflies remind us that nothing in nature is created without purpose. They contribute to the balance of nature and show how even the smallest creatures have an important role in the world.
Butterflies are truly one of the most beautiful and peaceful creatures on Earth. They are not dangerous, they are visually stunning, and they bring life and color to our environment. Whether flying in a garden or resting on a flower, they capture the attention and imagination of people all around the world. In conclusion, the butterfly is far more than just a beautiful insect. It is a symbol of transformation, a key player in the ecosystem, and a living example of nature's incredible design. From its humble beginning as an egg to its final stage as a graceful flyer, every part of its life tells a story of growth, change, and survival. If you enjoyed this documentary and learned something new, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Shan Zoology, and share this video with your friends.
so they can also explore the wonders of the natural world. Your support helps us create more amazing content like this. Thank you for watching Shan Zoology. Stay curious, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next video.